Hey guys, it's Mike here. As you guys are gearing up for a busy season, I wanted to talk to you guys about a new product that we're carrying here. We partnered with Ecotech Solutions, a Canadian company, to bring in their soaps and surfactants. So let's take a minute and show you what we got. We'll start off with the Smart Wash. This is a really great, high quality foaming surfactant. It's made to increase the viscosity and the stick time on your roofs and your sidings. It's really going to give you a great scent too, as it has a cherry scent as well. Over here we'll have the Apple Pro Wash. Another great surfactant, really great with the viscosity for sticking really well on your roofs and sidings. This one's also going to have a color marker as well, so you're going to be able to see where you're sprayed, and that color marker will remove in about 60 to 90 seconds. It also has a really great apple scent. Down here we're going to have the Post Wash. Now the Post Wash is designed as a bleach neutralizer. It's going to be used on various surfaces to neutralize the caustic actions of bleach. So you're going to be able to spray this on plants, on grass, window trim, rinse out your equipment, everything that the bleach may touch, so you don't want to get it wrecked. And then guys, we also have the Gutter Bright. This stuff is going to clean everything. It's going to be able to remove oxidation from many surfaces, including the gutters, metal trims, and siding, and stairwells, roofs, railings, and so much more. We're going to have these in the 4-liter size that you see here. If you see down below, we also have a 20-liter size. And guys, these guys are on great prices right now. You will not beat these prices. So take a look at our website for more information. Thanks so much.